tasty and twisted, yeah! Like most cakes, is need a mix. I'm using Simple Mills Vanilla Cake Mix. I have some Betty Crocker icing for the tops once they're all baked up. Oil or butter, whichever suits your fancy. If you don't want to use eggs, you may always use an egg substitute. And these cupcake forms are perfect for what we're doing. Measuring equipment! Yes! The whisk will help with the batter make. I totally didn't forget the vanilla extract and use a previous clip for it. Nope, not vanilla extract. As with all cooking, wash them hands before getting started. Crack those eggs into the bowl. Measure out and pour in the oil, then do the same for the vanilla extract that I still totally did not forget to put in here. Then add the water. Whisk the mixture until it looks kinda like this. Open up the cake mix and begin slowly mixing it in. This is becoming a bit too common around here, always having to mix the flour type deal slowly. I mean, I know it's necessary, it just takes too long is all I'm saying. I need to find a way to expedite this part of the process sometime in the future. Ready an oven-safe cake pan of sorts and fill it with the paper forms. It should look kind of like this when wait, where's this one? Great, I'm down one paper thingy. Found another one, we're good. Pour the batter into the paper forms about 2/3 the way up. It's okay if you make a little bit of mess on the pan, just be sure to clean it up before you start the baking part or the spots could burn and give your cupcakes an unexpectedly smoky flavor. Yeah. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and once all heated up, get them oven mitts on and put the pan in. I set the timer for about 15 minutes to start, but your oven time may vary. Have a snack while you wait. What? Hey, these cupcakes are gonna be good. I ended up adding 5 more minutes to the bake time and shifting the oven rack so that the tops would cook a little better. You, however, may have an oven that does not require such black magic to get it to bake like an oven bakes. Take those lovelies out of the oven with the freaking oven mitts and pop them out of the pan once they have cooled. Get the icing and ice up your cupcakes to your heart's content. They look so lovely. Give one or many to your excited significant other or Valentine of your choosing and enjoy your festive treat. Great for Valentines and parties. It's good and sweet. Pretty good. How do you like it, excited significant other? Huh. Guess you really liked it.